Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Search Console for Sitemap submissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Type Google Search Console into the search bar. Click on the official Google Search Console link. Once the page loads, locate the Start Now button and click it. You will be prompted to log in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, click on Create Account and follow the instructions. Enter your email address and password associated with your Google account. After logging in, you will arrive at the Search Console home screen. If you're accessing this for the first time, you will need to add your website. Click on the Add Property button. You will see two options, domain and URL prefix. Choose the option that best suits your needs. For a domain, enter your full domain without www or http. For URL prefix, enter the full URL of your website including https:// or http://. Click Continue. Next, you will need to verify that you own the property. Choose a verification method from the options provided. The recommended method is using the HTML file upload. Follow the specific instructions for your selected verification method. Once you've verified ownership, click on Go to Property. Now that you are in your Search Console dashboard, locate the Sitemaps option and click on Sitemaps to proceed to the Sitemap submission section. In the URL field, input the path to your sitemap, such as sitemap.xml. Press the Submit button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your sitemap was submitted successfully. To check the status of your sitemap, look under the Sitemaps section. Here, you will find if there are any issues with your submission. That's it. You're now ready to monitor your website's performance in Google Search Console. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.